Little fox. Bat and Friends. Bat Gets Lost. Episode 1. Hunting for Bugs. Bat woke up. He flew out of his cave.
I want bugs,
Bat said.
I will find bugs, and I will eat them.
Bat flew up in the sky. Bat flew over houses. He flew over trees. He found some big bugs. He found some little bugs. He ate and ate and ate. He flew and flew and flew. Bat was happy.
It's time to go home and sleep.
But now it was very dark.
Where is home?
Bat said. A big wind came up. A lot of rain came down. Bat was far from home. Bat and Friends. Bat Gets Lost. Episode 2. Lost in the Rain.
I am wet,
said Bat.
and I am lost. I must find a dry place. I must find a safe place.
So Bat flew and flew. He looked all around. The wind was strong. The rain was wet. Bat did not see a dry place. He did not see a safe place. Then Bat saw something. It was big and red. It was a barn. Bat flew to the roof. He went over the side. He hung by his toes. He looked for a way to get in. Then Bat saw a hole. It was little, but so was Bat. Bat and Friends. Bat Gets Lost. Episode 3. The Red Barn. Bat went into the hole. The barn was dry. But was it safe? Bat did not know. He looked around. The barn was big, and Bat was little, so maybe it was safe. Bat hung by his feet. He went to sleep. The next day, Bat woke up. It was still raining. Bat looked down. He saw a brown cow. He saw a yellow cat. He heard a pig. But there were no bats. Did cow and cat and pig like bats? Could they be his friends?
I will wait and see,
Bat said.